With relentless inflation, layoffs, and new fears over the banking industry, many of us are looking for any way to supplement our income. And that is understandable. Cutting corners and budgeting carefully may not always be enough. If you want to mitigate the strain on your wallet, you might consider developing a passive income stream. Fortunately, the internet makes this relatively straightforward, more so than some of you might have imagined. And guess what? There are countless online money-making opportunities that do not require any special expertise. The concept of earning while sleeping can become a reality for you, but, and there is indeed a but, you only need to be patient and put in some effort to make this work for you. Furthermore, if you've been watching this channel for a while, you know that I never come up with any get-rich-quick plans. Anyway, in today's video, I'll be sharing a few effective ways of creating online passive income streams. No matter if you have a job to focus on or other obligations to take care of, you'll still be able to get it all streamlined just by investing 1 to 2 hours daily. In order to enjoy financial liberty, this is the extra mile you will need to travel. So what actually is passive income? Well, according to some orthodox descriptions, it's the money received on a consistent basis, with little to no work or active participation from the recipient. It is derived from assets or initiatives that demand an initial investment of time, money, or effort, but can generate income over time without ongoing engagement. Active income, which is generated through direct engagement in a work or business, is sometimes contrasted with passive income. Yeah, the description is kind of boring, but you won't find it so dull when you get indulged in it and start making some extra cash. With that, let's explore some benefits of creating multiple passive income streams first. Nothing is more appealing than a job that allows you to work where and when you want. That's something I'm sure you'd agree with. So why not? Who could possibly say no to that? What's more, these online passive income streams are scalable. Once accomplished the first pot of gold, you can scale it up to produce more cash while reducing your workload. Isn't that what you're looking for? It's far superior to a 9-to-5 job. You can also use automation and other techniques to maximize your earnings. Furthermore, you'll never have to rely on a single source of money when you process multiple sources. You can easily weather financial storms and gain better long-term stability. I'm sure you're already motivated, but here's another advantage. I'd say it's probably the greatest. For getting started, you don't need thousands of dollars. What else do you need? Well, now that we've discussed the advantages, it's time to reveal a few successful methods of generating money online passively. The initial route on our list is to sell ebooks on various platforms such as Amazon KDP. Ebooks are electronic versions of printed books. They are far more interesting and compelling, and are used by a diverse range of audiences worldwide. And when I say massive, I really mean it. Do you still not believe me? Well, here's a fact. The global ebook market is expected to be worth $14.21 billion in 2023, rising to $15.39 billion in 2027. Isn't it bizarre? You can easily see the market's potential and how profitable you may be if you get everything flawless. So when it comes to writing your first ebook, the first step is to conduct research and identify a niche in which you are confident. You don't want to shoot in the dark. When you've decided on a niche, the procedure becomes a lot easier because you already know who your target audience is. Obviously, I won't go over the entire process of making an ebook in this video, but don't worry, it's not that tough. There are KDP publishing courses out there on the internet offering great value in building self-publishing skills. You should go through them first rather than scratching your head. Now, how are we going to sell it? Well, Amazon provides incredible models for entrepreneurs, one of which is Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP. Kindle Direct Publishing enables you to freely publish your ebook. Yes, you heard that right, freely publish your ebook. Once you publish it, you can set your prices as high as you wish. However, the best pricing for an ebook on Amazon right now is between $1 to $10. Now, look, I know it's probably becoming a little intimidating, but once you've uploaded up to 100 to 150 ebooks, they'll undoubtedly earn passively for you in the long term. If you want to learn more about self-publishing, I highly recommend visiting the Amazon KDP website and learning more about the model that they provide. I'll also provide a link in the description. Blogging is the second method on our list. Yes, I know. Everyone has been telling us how to make a blogging website. But have you ever wondered why it is still being debated? I mean, it's 2023 and blogging has most likely become obsolete, right? Well, if that's what you're thinking, my friend, you clearly are not aware of the earning potential that blogging still has. You're probably wondering, what in the world am I even talking about? It will take decades to activate AdSense and begin generating revenue from ads. Well, who's going to take the long, painful, rocky path? Here's what you need to do. Create a blog and as many blog posts as possible. Also, include affiliate links to any content you've already created. And just like that, you won't have to wait that long to see your site start producing money. Now, this channel has already done a few videos devoted to affiliate marketing. You might want to go check those out and keep an eye on them in order for this method to work for you. Sounds good? Well, let's move further into this video then. If you're into online shopping, you've probably heard of print-on-demand models. That is the third way you can generate money passively. Print-on-demand, or POD, is a method of customizing white-label products with your own graphics through a third-party source. If I were to rephrase this, you don't have to worry about any upfront costs, inventory, or high risks. Okay, but which platforms offer print-on-demand? To answer that, I'd suggest you look at Redbubble, Teespring, Printful, and Merch by Amazon. These are the best and most reliable platforms in the print-on-demand industry. Now, in my opinion as a beginner, you should probably sign up for Redbubble and Teespring, as they have user-friendly interfaces. Once you've registered to their sites, there are 3 simple steps to follow. Number 1, set up a store. Number 2, you're going to select a category of products you want to focus on. These can either be t-shirts only, or a mixture of various products, such as bags, cups, and the list goes on. Number 3, create a design and put it on the item you selected in the previous step. You're going to want to set up prices according to the profit margins the platform offers. And just like that, you'll have your active listing ready to generate sales passively. That's pretty intriguing, isn't it? However, you might have to be adept at designing over here. I recommend hiring a freelancer to get a large number of designs in bulk, and this would probably be the sole investment required for this type of work, though it's not necessary. If you want to avoid this overhead cost, there are so many free tools that can help you create amazing designs for your products. However, hiring a freelancer can save you time if nothing else. I know you're more interested in the earning potential this particular business plan has. You see, on average, you can earn $1 per active listing a month. This means the higher number of listings you'll have on your store, the maximum profit you'll be able to generate. Now, $1 is just a generous estimate in terms of average. You'll definitely earn more than that, only if you have plentiful listings. Sounds good? Well, with that, let's move on to the last strategy now. You've already learned how to make ebooks, a blog, and a print-on-demand store. With this final technique, we'll connect the dots and expand the opportunities for making passive income online. Obviously, an audience is required for such strategies to function. And to do so, I recommend becoming an Instagram content creator or influencer. Because once you've developed the assets we've covered earlier in this video, you'll need to direct traffic to earn revenue. And believe me, Instagram is the ideal way to gain a large number of devoted clients. Follow the trends and create content in line with them, while also providing a link to your blog posts, ebooks, and print-on-demand store. Just like that, within a few days, you'll start witnessing the performance of your digital assets. So before we proceed, there is something you must accept. You won't see a difference in your normal income until you add value or put effort into all of the tactics I laid out. Yes, your workload will be lessened later, but in order to generate money online, you must first be consistent. And I'm confident that you'll follow the route I've been attempting to share on this channel. And if you've made it this far into the video, then I know you have what it takes to make these processes work for you. That's all I have for today's video. If you liked what you learned, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for further notifications, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.